I bet you didn't know your body is a bustling metropolis, full of trillions of microorganisms. Yep, you heard that right. Your body hosts trillions of microorganisms, outnumbering your own cells by 10 to 1. These tiny tenants, called the microbiome, live mostly in your gut. And here's the cool part. They help you digest food, fight off bad bacteria, and even boost your mood. But wait, there's more. Each person's microbiome is unique, like a fingerprint, and what you eat can change it. More veggies and fiber can boost the good guys, making you healthier and happier. So next time you grab a snack, think about feeding not just yourself, but also your tiny, powerful friends. Embrace the wonder of your microbiome and keep it thriving. Remember, a healthy gut means a happy you. Subscribe for more amazing health tips. See you next time.